I have been waiting for this for so long. Actually, exactly 1 month, minus 1 day. So this is the Dayan Tengyun V2. This is the YJ MGC 5x5. So the Tengyun V2 was available to pre-order on April 6th. It's currently May 5th. I don't know how I ended up getting this so late after, but whatever, it's here now. And there it is. It's upside down. My god. So this is the Tengyun V1, and that has been my main since, pretty much since I got it, which I don't know how long it's been. But I really like fast cubes. I put Martian in that to speed it up. Excuse me? Oh my god, it's wet. Okay, it's not that wet. This has way different plastic. Alright. I really like how it feels so far, after 2 T-perms. So, the main differences between these two that I can notice so far is just the shades are brighter on this, which is weird. I like the shades on the original one. And also the center caps have a weird new shape, which I hope helps because I've always noticed the corners get caught on the center sometimes. So hopefully that fixes this. Let's look at what else we've got in the box. Oh yeah, this cube has customization now, which is really good because a lot of people had a lot of different things to say about the magnets in the Tengyun V1. So now you can just change them. So there's a box here. What's in here? A screwdriver. Another screw... what? Why? Some springs? Some more springs? A spare core? And... nice. Am I gonna need 3 tools to customize this thing? So let's set this aside for now. Let's see how the cube feels right now. It's really stable. I can't tell if my turning sucks today or if I'm gonna need to adjust the cube a whole bunch. I thought this thing was gonna be so much bigger. The little carousel thing in it, of course, makes no sense. It pretty much takes up the entire edge piece. Huh. So I haven't watched any videos about this because I don't want any spoilers. I wanted to sort of figure everything out myself, you know? I am so confused. What in the name of God? Alright, so this seems sort of like what GAN has in the XS. So there's like this focus. So yeah, there's like a nut. There's 2 nuts. And one in the middle you can sort of change to different decimals. And I'm assuming that's centerpiece travel. And then there's an outer one out here. It's hard to tell the difference between the two on camera. Oops. But yeah, I'm guessing that adjusts spring strength. I'll deal with that later because right now I like how it feels. And the magnets. Right now the magnets are on 2. I'm guessing that's the middle strength. Let's put them on 3 just for fun. Oh, one thing I love about this cube is when you adjust the magnets on one side of the piece, magnets on the other side will also adjust because they're like connected. So the Tengyun V1 burns through lube like I've never seen before. And I think it's because I think it's because there are these holes in the pieces. Like the pieces are flat, first of all. And also there's holes in them and there's like a angry face. I think the lube just all pools up in the holes and doesn't actually stay on the pieces. I could be completely wrong about that. I am by no means a cube expert or even an intelligent human. I wouldn't call myself that either. It feels weird to stick a metal screwdriver in a plastic screw hole. I hope it doesn't matter which way you turn this thing. Oh yeah, whenever I'm adjusting the magnets on a cube, I like to slowly put it into a checkerboard pattern, like this, so that I know which sides I've done and which ones I haven't. Alright, magnets don't feel that much stronger. Oh yeah, there's a manual that came with this. Let's read that. The Tengyun V2 magnetic system. Okay, I already knew that. The upper 45. All right, here we go. This is the thing I was talking about. How there's two. You see? So tension control, centerpiece travel control, unlimited axis distances adjustment. Oh, I see. So you still have a screw, but you don't really have to use it unless the settings aren't working for you. Unlimited distances adjustment. You mean a screw, fam. Use a screwdriver. Alright, don't do it too much. Centerpiece travel control. Larger number, the more corner cutting and smoother. The larger the number, the longer axis distance, and the more corner... I was gonna make fun of their English, but clearly use the adjustment tool or hand to press and twist the centerpiece travel. And then the other side is just Chinese. Alright. And then also extra springs. Wow, this has a lot of ways to customize it. We went from no customization at all. Actually, this came with extra springs too. But yeah, this is really customizable. Oh yeah, let's check corner cutting. That's a thing people do, right? Wow. Okay. All right. Oh. Huh. So it didn't corner cut there. Thing is, with the V1, it corner cuts literally anywhere. Like, I've never tested a corner cut that didn't work. But on this one, it seems to have a little bit where it can't cut, but that's totally fine. That's totally understandable. Like, that much of a corner cut? When are you ever doing that? And then reverse corner... That's really nice. It's like effortless. Yeah, I'm happy with that. And I think this is on the strongest. So right now it's on the tightest setting for the centerpiece travel. It's on the weakest springs. And I kind of like that. I felt like the V1 needed stronger springs sometimes. But yeah, let's do a solve. Where the hell is my mouse? Alright, whatever. Who needs a mouse? I do like these shades, actually. What the sh**? Alright, well, I'm not used to the shades. Even though they seem pretty standard. That's awful for me. Nice, that's really, really bad. Whatever. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Did I cover everything? Oh yeah, it has waves on the pieces. Oh yeah, the Tengyun is the quiet cube. I always forget that it is because I'm used to it. And also mine isn't all that quiet. But this one. It's like a lower pitch. I don't know if it's quieter, but it's a lower pitch. I don't like the texture of this box. Yeah, if this video seems like a mess, it's because it is. I'm sorry. A week after recording this, I will record a new video where it's more of a review. Yeah, I'll record another video that's more of a review because this is just sort of a random first impressions thing. It's kind of scared me that the box shows a stickered cube and I ordered stickerless. It's like, I waited so long for this, they better not have sent me the wrong one. But yeah, this is my new main because it would hurt to have waited this long and not use it. Now for the MGC 5x5. I'm sure you've seen videos on this already. It's not a new cube, but it's new for me, and it's also my first 5x5. So it's less about the cube, more about my first time ever seeing a 5x5 IRL, you know? How the hell do you open this? Okay. Nice. I really like YJ. Like, I keep ending up getting their cubes. Like, I got their 2x2. And I got their 5x. Wow, that's small. Those are some tiny pieces. I always end up getting YJ cubes. Like my 6x6, when I get into 6x6, is going to be YJ. My 2x2 is YJ. Yeah, because they just make the best budget stuff. Or not really budget, but like affordable stuff. Oh, wow, I was not expecting it to be this, like, smooth. Why am I doing M moves on a 5x5? Well, I don't know what 5x5 is. Houston, we have a problem. Alright, what's in here? Springs and a tensioning tool. Tensioning tool. This is a screwdriver. More springs. Why is every cube including springs these days? There's nothing interesting in there. It's just a 5x5. I have already, I haven't scrambled it, but this is as good as scrambled because I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up scrambling it while trying to fix it. I'm scared. How do you do this? Oh, okay. But now the edges are all messed up, or whatever. Edges are easier to fix. So I've never solved I've never seen a 5x5 in person. Okay, wait. Last four edges, that's a thing. I know how to solve 5x5. I'm just really dumb. I don't care. Leave me alone, please. Oh, this needs to go here. All right, now we're on last four edges. Help. This video has now become Crimson tries to solve 4 edges on a 5x5. This is like really tight. Maybe that's just how it is out of the box. How do you tension this? Is there a tiny center cap? Oh my god, it's a tiny, tiny center cap. That's like the size of the center cap on my keychain cube. My brain hurts. I like the strength of the magnets in this. The magnets are really strong, but it feels like the outers are stronger. No, they're not. Well, the outer layers are like faster. Okay, good. We don't have parity here. Now, 3x3. I think I can solve 3x3. Yeah, I keep like finding myself accidentally moving 2 outers. You see, I suck at this, so this is probably going, like the comments are probably gonna all be critiquing me and giving me advice instead of... Nice. You're not supposed to corner cut on big cubes, are you? Oh yeah, since this is an odd numbered cube, it doesn't have weird internals. That is one long corner stock. Long boy. Should I scramble it? I'm gonna scramble it. Oh, I need to make a new session. How do I make a new session? I haven't done that in so long. I made a video about how to use CS timer, but I don't know how to use it. 5x5. I should make a part 2 of that CS timer video with stuff about the session editor because I forgot that existed because I haven't made a new session in so long. All right, let's see what 5x5 scrambles look like. How the hell do I read this? What is a wide move? What is wide? Is this a wide move or is this a wide move? Time to use the Google machine. Okay. Wide moves are 2 layers. F wide prime. R prime. Do I hear spring noise in this? I am not dealing with spring noise. Or maybe I will. I don't know. I don't think I've ever taken apart a big cube. Alright. Did I get the scramble right? Holy shit, I did. How do I do this? Oh yeah. I do reduction method, right? You have to start with the middle bar, right? Or something like that. Whatever. There are centerpieces on this. I don't need to remember the color scheme. I think the way I'm doing this is like super inefficient because I'm like doing it like 4x4, but I don't know how to not do it like 4x4. This is probably painful to anybody who's watching this. Isn't that parity? Please don't tell me I have parity. I don't know how to solve parity yet. Wait, can I just do it like 4x4? What the? Okay, now the cross. D moves are hard. What do you do instead of D moves? Wide U? Okay, what the hell? Five minutes and 16 seconds. That's not awful, right? Yeah, this has been fun. I'm quite liking both of these. This honestly turns like as good as my 4x4. I made a GAN 460 because someone sold one to me for $20. How could I say no to that? Anyways, yeah, I guess that's it. I guess after this, in the editing, I'll put an average of 5 on the Tengyun. And yeah, leave any comments asking me what my favorite flavor of toothpaste is, or telling me that I suck at 5x5, or better yet, giving me some sort of advice on 5x5 because I need it. Yeah, so I will be making a review on this, like an actual review where I go through everything instead of just like, oh, look at this. So keep an eye out for that. Subscribe if you want to. Leave a like since this is the second video on this channel. So yeah, thanks for watching to the end. Goodbye.